I'm James from Peered Real Estate, and over the past 3 months, I've personally project managed and renovated this beautiful Wembley address. You would not believe what's taken place here. I saw where the property was sitting. It was opposite a beautiful lake, and I was like, it's very dated. I'm like, what can we do to increase the value? Well, before, it was nothing special, dark and gloomy. Over the last 3 months, well, we've changed the color palette of the entire property, made it light and bright. New stone top benches throughout. All the vanities are brand new stone. You've got brand new stovetops, dishwasher. Before, the old place didn't even have a spot for a dishwasher, so we had to incorporate that into the build. It's amazing what's happened over the last 3 months here. So the work we've done on this property is going to add so much value, and it's going to open it up to a wider buyer market as well. So it's going to inevitably bring us a quicker sale and a higher sale price. A person's property is one of the biggest investments. That's what I personally believe. And if I see a property that needs a bit of sprucing up and can bring back a great return, then I wouldn't be doing my job if I didn't suggest this.